Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are back here once again with another one of our subscription boxes, and this time I have the Sephora Play for the month of April. So finally we are getting all caught up and putting our videos up for the current month, and I'm trying to catch up with all the other boxes, but with this one finally I have caught up and we are in April. This box here, it is a $10 subscription box from Sephora. You can sign up through their app, you can sign up through the website. Like I said, it's $10. You get 5 products inside. You get 5 deluxe samples and 1 bonus item, which is usually like a little perfume sample. Let's see what we got this month. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is what the box looks like, and let's see what's inside. So once you open it, this is what it looks like on the inside. You always get a little pamphlet, and here you have your little baggie with the products on the inside. On your pamphlet, you usually get a 50-point card that you can use in store or online now. That's something that they changed, and this is what the pamphlet looks like. It is Sephora Bingo. It has different little circles on there, and on this side it always tells you what is inside your box. So let's start taking our products out and see what we got for this month. Our first product here, it is from Youth to the People. It looks like it's a moisturizer. So this is what it looks like. This is your little container. It is an adaptogen deep moisture cream. So according to our little pamphlet here, it is a hydrating and calming cream formulated with adaptogenic herbs. I don't know what an adaptogenic herb, I don't even know how to pronounce it. And it's made with herbs and mushrooms. So you can never have too many moisturizers, I think, especially if you are trying to find the ones that work with your skin. I can honestly not smell anything. So that's a first for me. So I'm excited to try this out, see how it goes with my skin. Our second product here, it is from Makeup Forever, and it is the Step 1 Skin Equalizer. So I don't know, it seems like it's a primer maybe, because since it's a step 1, that's usually the step 1 to your, once you start putting on your makeup. This is what the little container looks like. It is, you know, deluxe size. And our pamphlet here says, it is a matte primer that evens out tone, smooths texture, and preps skin for makeup. So we got ourselves a tiny little size of a primer. So let's try this one out. I haven't used one from Makeup Forever before, so I'm excited to try it out. Usually they have a reaction with my skin, and I hope this one doesn't. So I'll try that one out. Up next, here we have a mascara from Clinique. I never get excited when I get mascaras in my boxes or bags or anything that I get monthly, just because I do have one specific mascara that I like to use because it is, I believe, oil-based, and it works really well with my eyelashes. Whenever I curl them and I put my mascara on, it doesn't take my curl away, and these usually do. So this one I for sure know I will not be using myself, but I will for sure pass it on to somebody that I know can use it and, you know, don't have a specific mascara. So this is a high impact mascara. According to our little pamphlet, it is a richly pigmented mascara that lengthens, volumizes, and defines lashes. So it looks like it does a lot of great things, but unfortunately, when it takes the curl away from my lashes, that's already a big no-no for me. So I found one that works for me, and I plan on sticking with that one until I can't find it anymore. Our next one up here is by Sugar, and it is a lip treatment. I have used their chapsticks before. They have a whole line of different chapsticks, and I think they are amazing. This is what the little tube looks like. They have tinted ones, they have clear ones. This one looks like it might be a clear one. And yes, this is the product that you get on the inside. I highly recommend these. These are probably the only chapsticks that I use when my lips start getting dry during the day. I am in love with this one, so I am more than excited to be getting this in here. So our little pamphlet, it says, is a clear lip treatment that enhances volume and provides moisture. And I can already tell you it really does. I really recommend this product, so I am so happy. Our next product here is from Glam Glow, and it is Good in Bed. They started getting a little crazy with their names from their products. So this one here says Passion Fruit Softening Night Cream. So this is another moisturizer, but this one is for the night. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm not picking up a scent from this one either. So I don't know. I don't know why. So our pamphlet says it is a smoothing and exfoliating night cream that softens and visibly plumps skin. Ooh, so this one sounds pretty interesting. I will go ahead and give this one a try. I haven't really used too many Glam Glow products. Maybe I have like one mask and that's about it. So I'm excited to try this one out. And our last but not least, it is our 6th extra item. And it is another Clinique little trial size. And this is Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. So I've heard of cleansing balms before. It is mostly like a cream on the inside. You pick up a nice little blob, you put it on your face, you kind of just smear it around so it can start breaking down your makeup. And a lot of the times you either wash it off or you wipe it off with a wet towel and you are done taking off your makeup. So our pamphlet here says it is a lightweight makeup remover that turns from a balm to an oil. So yeah, so the oil part is how it starts breaking down the product so you can easily just wipe it off your face. So those were the products that we got inside of our bag here. We are just left with our little tiny bag. These are the ones that we have been getting in our box lately. They're usually red, so this time they decided, I guess, to switch it up and give us a pink bag. But they can come in handy. I mean, I don't know what you guys think about the bag. I personally am not a big fan. It is just a plastic bag. So that is what we got for our month of April. Let me know what you guys think. I am personally excited that I got the Sugar lip treatment and the Makeup Forever primer. Let me know what you guys liked from my box this month, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!